Hello guys, in this video we will discuss some multiple choice questions on eigenvalues. So let us begin with this question. Suppose we have a square matrix A of order n, and suppose that this matrix is diagonalizable and this matrix satisfies this equation. Then the eigenvalues of matrix A are the options. A is plus minus 1, only 0, 1 or 0, and last option is none of the above. Okay, so we have to solve this question. What is given in the question? Given that A is diagonalizable. So just use the definition of diagonalizability. Since A is diagonalizable, so we can find an invertible matrix P which satisfies this equation P inverse AP is equal to D, where D is a diagonal matrix, and we also know that A and D have same eigenvalues, or you can say that the entries of the main diagonal of the matrix D are the eigenvalues of A. So we have this equation. So D square, you can repeat this equation two times. P inverse AP, P inverse AP. We know that PP inverse is identity matrix. So P inverse A I and AA, it will be A square. I am skipping one step, okay. So we have D square is equal to P inverse A square P, but it is given that A square is equal to A. So using this, so P inverse AP, and we have P inverse AP as D. So we have D square is equal to D, or D square minus D is equal to 0, or just take D common. So either D is a zero matrix or D is an identity matrix. It means what? Either the eigenvalues of A, because A and D is a diagonal matrix, and we know that the eigenvalues of a diagonal matrix are nothing but the diagonal entries, and similar matrices have same eigenvalues. So the matrix of A and D will be same, and our D is either a zero matrix, that means you have zero eigenvalues, or an identity matrix, or that means you have only one eigenvalue. That means option C is correct. Let me again explain you this. Question is that we have a matrix A which is diagonalizable, and it satisfies the condition A square is equal to A. We have to find the eigenvalues of the matrix A. These are four options. So just use the definition of diagonalizable, because A is given as diagonalizable. So we can find an invertible matrix P which satisfies this equation. Now just write down D square is equal to, just repeat this matrix two times, P inverse AP into P inverse AP, and we know that PP inverse, it will be identity, and A into A, it will be A square. In the question, it is given that A square is equal to A. So that means you can write down P inverse AP. And here we know that P inverse AP is same as D. So we have d square is same as d. So just simplify it. You will get your the diagonal matrix D as either a zero matrix or an identity matrix. That means the eigenvalues of D, either it will be 0 or 1. And we know that similar matrices have same eigenvalues. So the eigenvalues of D will be same as A. So that means A will have eigenvalue 1 or 0. Next question is, if 1 is an eigenvalue of a matrix A, which is given by 2, 5, minus 6, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, then the other two eigenvalues are 2, 3, and minus 2, minus 3. So these are the four options. So this question is quite easy. We know that the sum of the diagonal entries is trace, and trace of a matrix is what is nothing but the sum of eigenvalues. So trace of A for this matrix is 2, one eigenvalue given as 1. That means just we have to find that pair whose sum is comes out to be 1. So minus 3 plus 2, it will be minus 1. So 1 minus 1, it will be 0. No. Second one, 3 minus 2, it will be 1. That means this pair minus 2 plus 3 will solve the purpose. That means this is the correct option. Next question is, the minimum and maximum eigenvalue of the matrix A is which is given by 1, 1, 3, 1, 5, 1, 3, 1, 1. Eigenvalues are given as minus 2 and 6. So the other eigenvalue is, options are 5, 3, minus 1, 1. Again, using the same concept, trace of the matrix is nothing but sum of eigenvalues. Trace of A here, 1 plus 5 plus 1, 7. Two eigenvalues are given as minus 2 plus 6. So we need that eigenvalue which gives you sum as 7. So here 6 minus 2 is 4. That means this 3 will solve the purpose. That means this 3 is the remaining eigenvalue of this matrix.